CEO and President of Deep Isolation, Rod Baltzer. Welcome, Rod.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us.
Glad to
Rod
be here.
Rod and his company have got a very innovative approach to what is fast emerging as a pressing global problem, and that is what to do with nuclear waste as more and more countries are looking at nuclear energy as a way to meet the growing energy poverty worldwide. Tell us a little bit about the concept, if you would, Rod.
Yeah, Deep Isolation was founded to use directional drilling. That obviously has progressed tremendously over the last 20 years to dispose of spent nuclear fuel. Nuclear scientists always knew you needed to dispose of that fuel deep underground. They always thought it needed to be a mined repository, but with the new directional drilling techniques and technology over the last 20 years, this has really opened it up for us.
So what's the conveyance? What's the containment vehicle?
We've got a universal canister that helped, ARPA-E's funding has helped develop that. That is for both legacy waste and new advanced reactor waste streams. So this is a 16-foot long, 15-inch in diameter canister that you put the fuel in, and then you convey that and place it deep underground.
Outstanding. How are you generating market awareness? How are you getting to these entities? Oftentimes they're governmental organizations opposed to private companies. How are we gaining traction for the company?
We do think our end customer is most likely a government entity, and so most countries around the world have a radioactive waste management organization. In the U.S., it's the U.S. Department of Energy, and so we talk to them. We are a global company, we've got a global footprint, and we've talked to all of them around the world. We do consulting studies right now for them as we get ready to do a technology pilot coming up in just the next year or so.
So you will have a in-field proof of concept test coming within, what, end of 2026?
We've done a small scale at depth,
Sure.
and we've done a full scale at surface, but our customers have told us they need to see the full scale at depth to kind of open up that door for disposal. And so we just finished a transaction. We raised $33 million. A lot of that funding is going to go toward this full-scale demonstration. It takes a year to order some of the long lead parts, and then we'll start drilling the holes.
Expertise, obviously nuclear engineering, I'm assuming mechanical and drilling engineering as well. Tell me about the geology. How deep are we talking about? What sort of criteria you're looking at geologically so that scientifically people are comfortable with what deep isolation does?
We've done a lot of safety calculations. Encourage everybody to come to our website, deepisolation.com. But we've generally assumed it's around a mile deep and around a mile laterally. It can go deeper. It could be a little bit shallower than that. Depends on the geology and the waste form and other things. But that provides a really good level of safety. When we talk about safety, we expect there's an aquifer above us. We expect there's a subsistence farmer who's drinking out of that aquifer, and he doesn't get peak dose until 1.6 million years in the future, and it's the equivalent of about a banana.
That's outstanding. That's a great analogy. Well, that's super fascinating. You have advanced a number of technologies here in deep isolation. How many patents do you guys currently hold?
We've got 87 patents and more in the pipeline. Our first patent was for taking nuclear waste in anything but a straight vertical borehole. So if it's deviated or lateral, completely horizontal, our patents cover that. But it's everything from how to find the site, how to characterize it, drill the well and place it, the canister, the lifting adapters, monitoring after the fact. So it covers the life cycle of it.
Outstanding. Again, a very interesting idea here from Deep Isolation. I am with the CEO and President Rod Baltzer of Deep Isolation. Am I missing anything? We get it covered here today?
I think we got it covered. Really appreciate the discussion.